Hi, I'm Craig Anderson and welcome to another episode of EPMS Customer Spotlight. Today we have with us Ron Johnson from SOS Printing. How you doing, Ron?
Doing well, thanks.
Tell us a little bit about SOS Printing.
Sure. SOS Printing was formed about 1987, and we're a commercial printing in San Diego. And we started off as a sheet fed with a 2-color press. We now have a 5-color press. We can print 329. We also have added digital capabilities, so we can do digital printing as well as commercial printing right now.
Tell our viewers a little bit about what sets SOS apart from your competitors.
What I think sets SOS apart from our competitors is that we offer both the digital and the commercial aspects of printing, so that we can go out to our customers and find solutions on how to best meet their needs rather than just be order takers. We pride ourselves in the fact that we are service oriented, that we can provide them with fast, accurate information and estimates. And part of the reason why we can do that these days is because of our relationship with EPMS.
So as you know, in today's business and economic times, things are challenging. So what is SOS doing to help with that? Or to get yourself through it, I guess is a better way to put it.
Well, as you know, this has been a real tough economic time, and we've, like other companies, have seen some really difficult times. But I think that by the fact that our company has dedicated itself to its employees, we've not laid anybody off. We've certainly had
good.
some cuts in time. But our dedication is to make sure that we are fully staffed so that when the upturn comes in the economy, that we are ready to roll at any time. We're ready to strike. And so we have done a lot to make sure that all of our customer needs are met on a very timely basis.
Well, that's good to hear that you've been able to maintain your staff and you're ready and prepared for when the things do pick up, because that will happen. What are some of the strategies that SOS is employing these days to help with those challenges in the economic times, but also just in the competitive market that you're all faced with these days?
Well, what we're doing to meet some of those challenges is that we are making sure that we can do the most cost-effective way of meeting our customers' needs. One of the things that has really helped us a lot in these days is the fact that with the integrated system we're using with Enterprise, we're able to not only review our customers' needs on a more accurate basis, but we're able to then use our previous history to sell to our customers on our existing database.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, and plus we're also able to use a link that we've been able to take advantage of with Page DNA for our web-to-print operation, which links directly with Enterprise. So when a customer orders online from us, it creates an order right in our work in process, and it eliminates all the handling, and it just gives us an order immediately, and that's very cost effective for us.
Which is a key in today's business because everybody's trying to streamline their processes. So by having a front end system that's integrated to your MIS system, you're able to streamline that process, minimize error, and also do it with less people, or at least the current staff that you have. So how long have you been with us at EPMS, and how long have you been using Enterprise 32?
Well, we first implemented Enterprise 32 in 2005. And we set up all of our standards, which was really great because it allowed us to make sure that everything that we had in our estimating system was accurate. And the great thing that we've had as a result of that is converting an estimate into an order and having an electronic job ticket generated.
Yep.
In the past, that has been a huge bottleneck for us, being able to take from an estimate to have to manually create a job ticket, write it up, and put it into production, and then have to go through the scheduling process, manually schedule everything. It was so labor intensive. It took us a couple of days just to get an order into production. Whereas now that we've had this fully integrated system, it has streamlined our operation significantly. Plus, we're able to get our invoices out now much more timely, and we don't ever have to worry about losing track of an invoice anymore. No more worries about did we invoice that job or not. and a potential of losing revenue because of that.
Yeah, because you're using our full accounting package as well, correct?
Everything. We bought
Yeah.
the full 9 yards, and I'll
Yeah.
tell you that it is one of the best systems I've ever had the pleasure of working with.
SOS doing these days to retain your clients and also to get new ones? Again, as you know, in today's business climate, it's very competitive, and retaining your clients is a very important aspect of today's business. So what is SOS doing to help with that?
Oh, absolutely. One of the things that we're doing is that we have an indigo press, and so one of the advantages of that is it allows us to produce variable data jobs. We've done some self-promotion using that, using postcards, to send out to our customers, specific invitations for additional work, how we can best meet their needs. And because we have all the information retained on Enterprise, it's just an easy link just to pick up from our database and to send these postcards. Really helpful to them.
Well, that's the one nice thing about being a printer. It was self-marketing is a little
Exactly.
easier
Yeah,
than-
yeah, it is.
Yeah, from all. So that's good. Is there anything else that you guys are doing? What are you doing to get new customers? What are some of the things that you've been doing to try to draw in new people to your business?
Well, what we've been doing is mainly trying to utilize the digital aspect of our business to let them know how we can best meet their needs as far as their marketing efforts. Because right now with the recession, people want to get the most bang for their buck. And so, if we can convince a company and show them how that we can offer them a better target marketing approach by using variable data in our Indigo system, than what they're doing now with a blast of postcards, for instance, then we can convince them that that's a better way to get a better return on their investment with dollars. And once we can demonstrate that, then we have a new client, and then we can also let them know, oh, by the way, we do have a commercial printing operation too, so we can say, for instance, print a huge, a better sizable run for their masters into individual in printing as well.
So with Enterprise 32 being an MIS system, one of its big priorities is to be able to communicate information to you that helps you make better decisions in your day-to-day business. In today's business environment, again, it's very important that you have the information needed to make proper decisions to conduct your business. What have you found in Enterprise to be one of the more valuable, or are there many things in Enterprise that you have found to be valuable in helping you make those decisions?
Well, there's so many features and reports in Enterprise that help us run our business more profitably, more accurately. The schedule loading report, for instance, makes sure that we can deliver our customers' jobs on time. To the job costing program, we're able to determine what areas do we need to work on as far as how can we improve either our efficiencies or our reporting so that we can do a better job of motivating ourselves. This program, we're able to make sure that we keep on top of that so that people are always doing their very best. They're motivated to do their best all the time.
We're actually here at our user conference this weekend, so you saw today actually our new scheduling module, and you did mention that you're using the scheduling module now,
Yeah.
the older one. What did you feel about the new one?
Oh, the new one looks like it's really great. It's a matter of fact, when I looked at the screen, it looks just like our manual scheduling board that we're using right now.
Oh, that's...
And I can envision us having a 60-inch screen up and using that to, and I don't know how many people would actually notice a difference.
Yeah, that's good. Well, this was another episode of EPMS Customer Spotlight. We spent time with Ron Johnson here. Thanks for watching, and keep your eyes out for more to come.